Hi guys, since this is exam time, so let us understand the different strategies for questions. Like if you can get theory based questions, you can get an application style question, you can get a numerical question. So let us understand different strategies that are applicable for different type of questions. So see, if it's a theory based question, so what are examiner expectations from you? So in theory based question, basically as an examiner, what we want is that students should be very well versed with the technicalities of that particular question. That means if something is direct from the book, given that both IFOA and IAI exams are now closed book, we can get direct questions from the book as well. So how easily you are able to reciprocate the same things that are in the book will help you to score well in your exam. So that means if it's a theory based direct question from the book or just similar to what you have done in the core content, you have to produce the same points as you have learned in your core reading to help you score perfect. Now coming to numerical based question, the quick strategy for attempting numerical based question is only one thing, that is we need to get a good hold over conceptual understanding, and if we are clear with the concepts, we just need to apply the concepts as the way that they have asked, and we need to clearly label the steps. We need to make sure that we are incorporating all the relevant information, we are using the correct formula, we are using the correct assumptions, and finally getting our final answer correct. And if it is an application based question, now what we understand by application based question is that although the question is of theory, but not direct theory, I mean there is nothing similar type of thing that is there in the core reading, but yes, understanding of your core reading, understanding of your content will help you to score well in these application based questions. So for these application based questions, our strategy is to try to understand that from which particular chapter this question is from, like from which particular topic I can relate the question, and then go back again to the things that you have understood in that particular topic, go back to the content of the core reading of those topics and see how you can use that content in this type of question. So we need to have different strategies clear in our mind. I mean different ways of approaching questions will be there. If it's a theory based question, I have to make sure technicalities are there. If it's a numerical based question, I have to make sure that I am mentioning proper steps. If it's an application based question, I have to check on the conceptual understanding and apply it. And moreover, we need to see when we have to incorporate subheadings, when we have to make sure that we are just listing on the point. So for application based questions, you need this thing as well. If it's a listing question, we just need to make one liners. If it's a descriptive style question, you need to make subheadings. So your approach will differ based on the marks and based on the type of question that you are getting, and the more you practice your papers, the better you will get a hold over different style of questions. So still, in case you have any doubts, feel free to ask us on this number mentioned. The team will get back to you with all the details, and stay tuned for more updates and videos coming to your way. Thank you. Happy learning.